In that case, a box fan is a great choice for you. They are known for being powerful and affordable, and the white noise they produce can effectively block out background sounds. Here's what a box fan looks like. Here's why a box fan might be a perfect fit for you. Loud white noise. Box fans are known for creating a loud white noise, which can be very effective at masking unwanted sounds. Affordable. Box fans are one of the most affordable types of fans on the market. Durable. Box fans are very durable and can last for many years. Easy to use. Box fans are very simple to use. They typically have just a few controls, such as an on-off switch and a speed control knob. Some things to consider with box fans is that they can be bulky and they don't offer a lot of features, like oscillation or remote control. Also, since they are not the quietest fans, they may not be ideal for everyone. Here are a few other options for loud fans that you might consider. High-velocity floor fan. High-velocity floor fans are similar to box fans, but they are designed to produce even more airflow. They are a good option for large rooms or for people who need a lot of white noise to block out background sounds. Industrial fan. Industrial fans are the most powerful type of fan on the market. They are typically used in factories and warehouses, but they can also be used in homes to create a very loud white noise. However, industrial fans are also the most expensive type of fan. I hope this helps you find the perfect loud fan to block out background noise.